make this we need Easier Pro, Easier switch, 6-pin 2-way JST jumper, and a chassis. We need to attach jumper wire, motor and wheels on both sides. This is Easier switchboard, and this switchboard has 8 different buttons. We can see 6 pins here which will be attached to the Easier Pro board here. Pin A, B, C, D will control the wheels of your car. We will connect these two boards using 6-pin 2-way JST jumper. These wires are connected to the motor. 2 other wires are also connected to the second motor. We have to attach our wires here and here. Make sure to attach all the pins carefully. Attach a power bank to the Easier Pro and set everything up. After setting everything up, make sure to use every button and note down which one works how. And if you change the settings of your pin, the buttons will work differently. If we hold these two buttons together, the car will go backwards and these two will make the car go forward.